welcome. Hey, so I'm Laura. I am the owner of this channel. It is full of Canva tutorials, tips and features for you to really get going with your business. Now, I'm a Canva creator. I create content for Canva, and I also love to teach small businesses how to do it yourself. So in this video, we are going to be looking at how to move your designs to your phone using a QR code. Now, this is a lovely little feature that Canva added in, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to do in this video. So I'm going to switch over to my screen and I'm going to show you my Canva account. So here we are on my design. This is just a design I've created in Canva, and we are going to put this from our Canva account into our mobile phone. Now, this is great if you want to use somebody else's template. If someone's saying to you, I've got this template, do you want to use it? Just scan the QR code and you've got it in your phone. Now, one thing you need to do first is click on share, head over to template link, and just copy this link because you want this template to open up, not just your Canva account. If you click on share again, go to more, there is a QR code option here. I'm going to click on this and I'm pasting that URL into this top section. If I just scan this now, it will just open up my Canva account for me with the template in there. If I want to go direct to that template, I need to put the link in first. Click generate QR code. And then if I go over to my phone, open up my camera and scan that QR code, and then hit the link, it is now saying a template created by me is open. I can now click use template, and it will open up that template ready for me to edit in my Canva account. And it is that simple to use a QR code to get your design into Canva. So what did you think of that? I have recorded myself just clicking that link as well, so I shall add that onto the end of this. So continue watching and you will see how it is opened up in my mobile phone as well. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. Please come back for more. There's lots going on this channel over the next year. I'm trying to add in weekly tutorials, so please definitely come back, hit like and subscribe, and you will have some fantastic Canva tutorials at your fingertips.